Ayan, dito ko mag-shovel. Ano muna dito? Oo, kunin ko yung base. Ito na ako sa labas. Grabe. Wow, ito. Dito ka na, kakala ko dito. Why don't you grab a shovel now? It's gonna shovel the road. Wear your gloves! Use mine! The one that's Converse. Throttle fast. Throttle fast versus Bruni. Who will win? Carl Cup versus Bruni, who will win in the rap battle? Oh my! Like, stop doing that. Got his phone in my pocket. I've got his phone in my pocket. Yeah, get crossbar.
Can I go in the snow now?
Yeah, you want to slide? I'll get the wait. I'll get the sledding. I'll get the turbo gun. You wait there.
This is too deep.
Here, Kate. Here, Kate. Come.
What the hell is that?
Come here. Climb up here.
She's going to fall in that snow.
No, it's okay. Go climb up here and then do it. Wait, Clark. Kunin mo, Clark. Go get it.
Me?
Yeah. Wait, I'll get it. Yeah. Clark, hayaan mo naman ah. Here, put it here. Give to me. Come. Okay, come this way. Yeah, come this way, anak ko. Hold here, make sure you have to hold in that side, okay? Okay, go.
Going to fall down.
It's okay. It's okay, go. You go sit down. Go, anak, climb up.
Don't you understand weight?
Okay, go up. I'm holding it.
I'm sinking.
Can you hold? Hold it properly.
What is this? Let me shovel the snow. Do I just put it down?
Yeah, here. Dahil mo, ano, come here. Come here, Bumki.
Hey,
This way. And it goes like, come here. Okay, go. Oh, yeah, I'm holding it. Okay, go, I'm holding it. Oh my goodness. Come on.
Oh my god.
Pumasok na yung snow sa sapatos ko, boots ko. Malamig. Kate, wag mong papasukin yung snow sa boots mo, ah. Lamig. Wag mo papasukin yung snow sa boots mo.
I'll come out.
You love it? Lamig. Oh, wait, the snow goes in my... Oh. Ah? Oh, be careful sa ano ah, sasakyan ni daddy mo ah.